Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can format, hard reset and remove password of your Realme Narzo 50A mobile. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also remove password of Realme Narzo 50i and other Realme mobiles. But before formatting your mobile, remember some important points in your mind. After format and hard reset, you have to enter your same Gmail ID that you have logged in before formatting your mobile. And format and hard reset process erase all its data like photos, videos and contacts. And format and hard reset process takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes, so charge your mobile at least 20%. So first of all, switch off your mobile. Now use volume down button and power button together and switch on your mobile. As Realme logo appears, release both buttons. Now you see recovery mode is loading. Press power button and select English language. Now use volume down button and select wipe data and apply with the help of power button. Now press power button. Now again use volume down button and select format data and apply with the help of power button. Now here guys, you have to enter your verification code. Enter verification code that appears on your screen. Now select format. Wipe successfully. Press OK button. After pressing OK button, our mobile is rebooted and now it takes approximately 5 minutes to reboot again. So guys, just wait and don't press any button. Now guys, our mobile is format and reset. Now we have to set up our mobile as new mobile. So select language and press next button. If you have Wi-Fi connection, then set up your Wi-Fi password, otherwise press skip button. Now here you have to enter your password. If you don't know your password, then press back button and enter your Gmail ID instead of your password. Now enter your Gmail ID to unlock your mobile. After entering Gmail ID, our mobile's password is removed and now our mobile is ready to use. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also remove password of Realme Narzo 50i and other Realme mobiles. If you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.